Over the past few weeks, we have experienced some of the best interest rate trends that we've seen in a while. That changed today after some comments made by a Fed member. He said that inflation has to get to 2% before we see a rate cut. And we already knew that. So this is the right thing to say, and we have the data showing us that we are nearing the 2% mark. But it was the wrong time to say it, and the market reacted to that. Take, for example, last week. The market did not react even though there was an overall rise in inflation with the Consumer Price Index report. I think this had a lot to do with the mixed data that we were getting. On Wednesday, we got the CPI report, which showed inflation rising. And then on Friday, we got the Producer Price Index report. And that showed a drop in December. But comments made by the Fed member sent rates trending up today. That puts conventional loans at about 6.7% and government loans a little bit over 6% for those with excellent credit. If you would like to follow interest rates more closely, I would suggest downloading the Mortgage Daily News app, where interest rates are displayed every day. One development that we are watching closely are the attacks on the ships in the Red Sea. It's already causing shipment costs to rise, and this could lead to a temporary rise in inflation as well. But overall, mortgage rate optimism has jumped because consumers are beginning to believe that interest rates are headed down and headed in the right direction. And with that, mortgage applications rose about 10% last week. But data trends early in the year for these type of things tend to spike heavily in one direction or the other, and that's possibly why we're seeing some of these big jumps. Markets were closed yesterday, and today we received the report for rents, and we showed a rise in rental prices. However, this data is lagging, so this is showing for the month of November. Let's go over the events for this week. On Wednesday, we will have the retail sales data and builders report. On Thursday, we will get the reports for jobless claims, housing starts, and permits. And wrapping it up all on Friday, we will get the numbers on existing home sales. We are looking forward to a great buying season with a number of loan options. There is a down payment assistance grant, and bank statement loans, DSCR loans for investors, competitive rates, and a team that will get you to closing smoothly. I would appreciate your support. Like, share, subscribe. Wishing you all a great day, and we'll see you next week.